In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack to communicate effectively with your team. Slack is one of the most popular tools for workplace communication. And once you understand the basics, it becomes a very simple and efficient way to stay connected, share updates, and keep conversations organized. To get started, you'll first need to join or create a workspace. Open Slack in your web browser, or download the desktop app if you prefer a dedicated program on your computer. From there, sign in with your email address or simply click the invitation link your team has shared with you. A workspace is the main area where your team communicates. So this is your entry point into everything else Slack offers. Once you're inside, take a moment to set up your profile. Click your profile picture in the top corner, choose Edit Profile, and add your full name, a clear photo, and your job title. This helps your teammates quickly recognize who you are, especially in larger teams where not everyone knows each other yet. A complete profile makes communication smoother and more professional. Next, explore and join channels. On the left sidebar, you'll see channels, which are group chat spaces organized by topic, project, or department. These help keep conversations focused and easy to follow. Use the Browse Channels button to look through available options and join the ones that are relevant to your work. This is one of the best ways to make sure you're seeing the right updates without unnecessary clutter. If you need to contact someone privately, you can send a direct message. In the sidebar, click the plus icon next to direct messages, type the person's name, and write your message. Direct messages are useful for one-on-one conversations, quick check-ins, or anything that doesn't need to be posted in a shared channel. To keep channel conversations organized, use message threads when replying. Hover over a message, click the speech bubble icon, and type your response in the thread panel on the right. Threads are especially helpful because they keep side discussions connected to the original message instead of filling the main channel with too many back and forth replies. You can also share files and use emoji reactions. Click the paperclip icon in the message box to attach documents or images. And if you want to acknowledge a message quickly, hover over it and add an emoji reaction, like a thumbs up. This saves time and keeps communication light and clear. Finally, set your notification preferences. Click your profile picture, open preferences, and adjust your notifications so you only receive alerts for urgent messages and mentions. This can help you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. That's all you need to get started with Slack today, so jump in and start collaborating with your team.